This is summer now, and I thought I should make some ice cream at home. And when I looked up some videos on YouTube, I came across this no cook kulfi recipe. So I'm going to try this out now. So these are the ingredients. You need everyday milk powder. I am using everyday milk powder. You can buy any brand that you find. And you need fresh cream. So I got milky mist. You need some badam. You need some sugar and some pista and some Elachi. So these are the ingredients for kulfi recipe. It's a no cook recipe. So blend a few ingredients. So I'll be adding them to the blender. So take the almonds, then pista, sugar, and the cardamom also. So I will blend all this into a fine powder. Powder is now ready. Now I will be mixing all the ingredients, the milk powder and the fresh cream. I will be taking 1 cup of fresh cream, I have 1 cup of full cream, and this is half a cup of milk powder. So we'll add all this to another container and mix all of them. Add the milk powder and also the powdered dry fruits and sugar. This is how it looks once you mix all the milk powder, the cream and the other powder that we made. And this is the consistency. So if you have kulfi molds, you can pour this mixture into the kulfi molds, but I do not have those molds, so I will be putting this directly into the refrigerator, maybe for 4 to 5 hours, and I will show you how it looks. It is now ready, and it is yet to go into the refrigerator. I just now I tasted it, and then I was surprised that it is exactly the same taste that we get it when we buy anywhere. This is too good. I just can't believe this. Kulfi mix has been sitting in the refrigerator for more than 5 hours, and we are now ready to scoop it into the bowl, and it's ready to eat. I don't have an ice cream scoop, so there it is. Kulfi no cook recipe is ready.